The embouchure of the flute has certain challenges, primarily because we have nothing to form our lips around like the other woodwind instruments, or to form them in like the brass instruments in their mouthpiece. So we're going to start off with where to place this on the chin. And essentially we want the lip plate of the flute to just fit right into the curve of the chin. And this essentially lets the lower lip kind of just cover a little bit of the hole, covering approximately a third is a good place to advise beginners, and the lower lip kind of pouts out over the hole in order to do that. Now then, the teeth. The teeth should be slightly apart, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch, which just allows a little more space in the oral cavity overall. And then the lips kind of close down over the teeth. And the corners of the lips should essentially be kind of firm and shouldn't be stretched too far back. That stretches the lips and prevents them from being able to pout out over the embouchure hole, like I mentioned. Instead, we want to think of those corners just being kind of firm and maybe slightly down. That tends to work better than thinking smiley, which kind of brings them a bit further back. Now then, basically the center of the lips just opens slightly to form the opening, which is called the aperture. Now, William Kincaid, the very, very well-known flutist, would describe the shape of the lips taking on sort of the shape that they would like when you're blowing on a hot beverage to cool it, which I think is a very, very useful kind of image to work with. You can kind of picture forming that, and then you simply try it on the flute.